Alright class, I want to get started here with homework number 2 of this video. I had a couple of questions on it. I want to provide a video for the class. And in doing this, I want to start off with saying that I want you to take the PDF from the homework 2 from week 2 and make the data in that PDF look like my Excel sheet. So it'd be a good time for you to pause the computer so that it makes sure that it looks like this. Alright, great. Now that you have your Excel sheet looking like mine, let's go ahead and put it into our options here. And we're going to go to add-ins and we're going to click Toolpak and push go. And we'll have all 4 of these checked and I'll push OK. In doing that is that I'm going to have over here my data, and it's going to show me my data analysis over here. And what I want to do is click on my regression. And in clicking on my regression here, I want to highlight all my Y range. And so my Y range is going to be the books that have been sold. Now, the X range is going to be my quarters, or my dummy variables. I'm going to include my labels, confidence level, and my output range I'm going to keep here in H1. And I'm going to push OK. In doing this, I will look and see that my intercept is going to be 2,491.6. I'm going to go ahead and put that as my 4th quarter amount because that's what that equals when we put that equation. I'm rounding this up so that it starts with the book can't be sold in 3/4, so we have to sell at a whole increments. So for quarter 1 in the 4th year, I'm going to take my 2,491 or my intercept, and I'm going to plus my quarter 1 output, and I'm going to continue to do that throughout the aspect of it. Now, there we go. Oops, we did that one twice. Let's go ahead and click this. There we go. As we have our amounts taken care of, I'm going to go ahead and round this one up or down or keep it the same. And so this is going to solve question 2 and 3. There's no reason to put the equation in there. We don't need that equation because we're computing it automatically within there. So go ahead and cut and paste this right here, except for the variables, which you'll remove, and you'll come back to our new sheet, which is going to do some seasonality. And in our seasonality, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our data analyst and we're going to push our regression model. And it's the same thing that we're going to add to the regression model, as our y-intercept is all of the books. So all books, labels is checked. The x-intercept is going to be all our time, which will be C all the way to there, and then my output range will still be in H1. Now, the only thing that we added was our intercept here. So one of the things that we have to go ahead and do is we're going to do our intercept here, and then we're going to have times 23 times the quarter. And that's going to be C. Why it's not letting me do this. Hold on one second. So we're going to go ahead and put my intercept here. Oh, sorry. We'll start here. 4th quarter intercept here would be the 2300 plus our time for that quarter times our 23 right here, and that will give us 2,676. So we'll go back and we'll fix these in a second, and we're going to continue to do this. 2,000 plus 13. And you can lock these cells in, and you can make them a little bit fancier Excel sheet if you have that skill set. And then we're going to add our first quarter in, and there we go. And we're going to do that for our second quarter, and we're going to continue to do this. For our second and third quarter, and there is our second quarter, which plays right there. See some seasonality within this, which is pretty unique or pretty cool, I think. So and there we have question 4 solved as well now. Oops. And we are good. So this video solves questions 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to leave you to do the scatter chart, and that can be found here, right here on inserting it on here, and that could be our scatter chart here. That will do the scatter or time series plot for you. But that is how you would go ahead and solve it. Oh yeah, I told you I would round these. Just make sure I do a good job and I round them. Format cells, and then we're going to make sure that it's a number and that it has no decimal place. And there we go. So this is the video. Any questions, go ahead and give me a call or send me an email.